Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming updates and selecting examples so you can test fixes immediately. Open Samsung Gallery and pick one mirrored image. This gives you a controlled case. Once done, tap the three-dot menu to access settings. You need to see whether an automatic rotate or camera flip option is enabled. Make sure to note if the image was taken with selfie mode or imported. That difference determines which setting to change next and why the flip happened. Now go into camera settings and find the selfie-related toggle like Save Self as previewed. Turn it off to stop mirrored saves. Then open gallery settings and disable any mirror images or autocorrect features that flip imported pictures. Once changed, take a fresh selfie and import or view it to confirm the behavior. You should see the real-world orientation. If the photo still flips, clear the gallery cache so old previews don't persist, and finish by applying any caches or reinstall steps. Clear gallery and camera caches, and if necessary, reinstall the Google Photos or Samsung Gallery app. Make sure to check third-party apps like messengers or editors, which sometimes mirror during send or export. Test by sharing an image to confirm. If nothing fixes it, reset only the camera settings to defaults rather than the whole device. Troubleshooting tip. If a flip continues, try a different camera app to isolate whether the hardware, system, or app is responsible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.